What's going on, guys? Today we're putting a bash bar on a 2007 Nissan 350Z. Alright guys, today I'm here with my friend Mason. This is kind of his introduction into the channel. So Mason drives this 2007 Nissan 350Z, and today he's installing a bash bar on the front of his car. As you seen in the B-roll, he already had a rear bash bar, but he installed that previously. But anyway, so today we're putting the front bash bar on. So Mason, for the people at home that don't know, tell them exactly what a bash bar is and what the purpose of it is.
Bash bar basically just replaces the stock crash bar. It's lighter, stronger, reinforced. That's about it. Really looks better too.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. The rear one's really cool as well. You can go back and look in the B-roll of it. I tried to get some shots of it. But anyways, guys, we're going to get on with this install. Alright, step number one, the front bumper has to come off.
On these, you got a bolt right up here. Connects in with the fender. Then you'll have one that connects to the side of the headlight, and another one's right up in here.
Now we gotta get these clips out, aka zip ties.
Yeah, zip tie gang.
The gang's all here.
Alright, now if you're like me and you run a skid plate, you're probably gonna have a few extra tins down here at the bottom.
Alright, now the bumper should be ready to come off.
Should be. Except that I took the wrong bolt out. on both sides.
What happens, it happens. Alright, now the bumper should be ready to come off. Boom. So basically you're replacing this, right?
This big ugly piece. Heavy.
Yeah. Yeah, this one down here definitely looks a lot cooler, so. Alright, now this has to come off, and replacing this is this one, which is lighter, looks a lot better, and is supposedly more durable and more, can protect it a little bit better than this, so. With the old. Cold air intake on this is cool. Let's get to them. It's pretty sweet.
It's dirty. It's dirty everywhere. Hey, don't worry, my filter's still clean though.
That's right. We still keep them clean.
Keep them pantyhose on them.
Like I said, you'll have to put the bolts in, and you'll have to impact them down, and it'll bend it back. Like I said, this got bent a little bit in shipping.
It could.
So what he'll have to do when he puts the bolts in, it'll flatten it out. Fresh. Oh yeah, let's get a good shot of that. That looks sweet. So is the bumper going back on?
I don't know. I don't know if I'm scared to drive in the rain or not, like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Everybody drop some comments about your experience with these HydroShields.
Yeah, do the HydroShields work in the rain? Should he be afraid to drive it like this? Comment below and tell us y'all's experience.
Yo, Brian, check this out.
We got
Dude's rocking the old Firestones.
Firestones.
And if you ain't rocking Firestones, you don't care about your loved ones.
That's right.
If anybody was wondering if your bumper would fit back on with the crash bar on there, well, I don't really know, but we're gonna find out. Seems to me like it would fit.
Looks like it went back on.
It would be a tight fit. I can feel it pushing against the bumper in here, but I mean, put bolts in and zip ties or clips up here, I think it'd be all right.
So the stock bumper will go back on with this bash bar, but Mason thinks he's going to leave it off for a while, see how he likes it. So I don't blame him. It looks really cool. So you're going to run without the bumper for a few days, see how you like it?
Yeah, I'll probably run without the bumper.
I don't blame you. It's too cool not to at least show off for a few days.
Something new. And that's the Street Faction bash bar, if anybody was
Street Faction bash bar. We'll link it in the description box below. Also, Mason, what's your Instagram for anybody that wants to follow you?
highrev.z33.
All right, guys, you'll probably be seeing Mason in videos more often on the channel. Mason, what's some future plans we have for the 350Z?
Right now, I have half a cage in there. I cut out the door bars because it was ridiculously hard to get in. The dude that had the car before me installed the cage, and he was a little smaller than I am, so I'm going to cut the whole cage out and replace it just with a harness bar. And hoping soon to get some ISR long tube headers and get me a tune up in Louisville at Dynasty.
Awesome. So if he does that, guys, we will be road tripping with him. We'll go up there. We'll vlog the whole thing. So that should be really exciting. All right, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure the bell's turned on so you get all the notifications. Make sure you go follow Mason on Instagram. Guys, until next time.